This is "O Come All You Faithful" as a piano accompanist. So I'm going to show you the chord in the right hand first. We'll play a G chord like that, B, D, and G on the top. "Oh come all ye faithful," that's a D chord, root position, D, F sharp, and A. This is pretty tricky. G, this is 4 chords that are measured. Joyful and triumphant. So the first chord is a G, D, G, B. D chord like that, D, F sharp, and A. And I just use my fourth finger there so I can go right back to that G chord on the third beat. G, a D, G, B like that again. And then just keep your middle note, move the up to E, G, and C on the top, and back down to G, and then F like that, or excuse me, D like that, D, F sharp, and A. And there's E minor, B, E, G. Come ye, there's a D chord, A, D, F sharp, P, O, A, C sharp, E, D again, and you'll notice the fingering I did there made it real easy to go back and forth there. D, A, back to D, A, D, F sharp, G, B, D, G. So it's E, O, there's a D chord there again, D, F sharp, and A. E minor, E, G, B. 2, D chord again, D, F sharp. Excuse me, A, D, and F sharp on the top. F, A, C sharp, and E. There's your A chord, and back to that D chord like that. Then we're going to go to a G chord up here, and I'm going to do it like this. Come, D, G, B, come, and that's a D7, D, F sharp, A, and B, back to G, there, D, G, and B, B, hold, A minor, E, A, C, and G, D, G, B, on D, F sharp, and A, D, G, E minor, B, E, G on the top, King of A minor, A, E, excuse me, C, E, A, so it's E minor, A minor, D, A, D, F sharp there. Angels, oh come, let us adore him. That's your G chord, all the way through that line. Oh come, let us adore him. A D chord on him. A, D, F sharp. G again. Oh come. There's the A minor chord. C, E, A on the top. B, D, G, and us, D, A, D, F sharp, A, C sharp, and E, do, another D chord, G, and a C chord there, back to G, Christ, back to D, So those are the chords in your right hand. It's a little bit tricky. Some of those measures moving 1 chord per beat. So you got 4 chords in a measure. That's pretty tricky. But if you keep your fingering like I did it, it will make it easier for you. Then all you have to do is add your root note down low as a bass note. So it's a G here, G note down low, D, D down low, C, and so on. And this is what it sounds like. when you're all through. Oh, come